Hey guys, what's up? Vic Townsend here, and I'm giving you some serious, to die for information here. If you are doing SEO for your own site or someone else's, do not, I repeat, do not use MoneyRobot. MoneyRobot will make thousands of backlinks, but they're all to spammy sites with absolutely 0 to below 20 authority ranking sites. This will hurt your site. It will hurt whatever business you're trying to do SEO for site. I'm not trying to knock them because I don't like them or something happened. I'm going to show you right now. I actually tested MoneyRobot on our company's website, and I'm going to take you on SEMrush right now, and I'm going to show you the links that it did and the damage that it caused for our site, and I'm going to show you how to reverse that damage if you've used MoneyRobot. If you've used MoneyRobot, I'm telling you right now, it did not do good. It harmed your site, or it harmed whoever else's site that you used it on. I'm going to show you this in SEMrush and prove it. MoneyRobot, it is a horrible program, and it will totally fuck off your SEO. Please believe me on that, and I'm fixing to show you the proof right now. All right, guys, here we go. If you actually used MoneyRobot, I'm sorry, but so I made 950 backlinks with it, and these are all it. Look at this. This is an authority score, and this is the authority score of the backlinks that it made and the toxicity level of those backlinks. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into SEMrush. You're going to have to pay for a SEMrush account. You just have to. You're going to go over here to backlink audit. And when it audits your site, it's going to tell you the toxicity score. So I told you I made 944 of those, which is 80% of the backlinks I made with MoneyRobot. And so, yeah, you just click on that. I'll show you again. You're going to get you a SEMrush account, do a backlink audit. I'm telling you, if you have used MoneyRobot, you need to do this. It's going to cost you $150. Or actually, no, they have a 7-day trial. Just sign up for the trial and get rid of this. Where it says hi, click on that 944. Go in here. Say, I already did all these, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do. You go in here. You're going to highlight all of them because, look, they're all trash. 0 authority score, 100% toxic. So you just select them all and click disavow. Now, I already disavowed these, but I'm going to give you an example of what to do so that you'll know what to do. Because this, when you have toxic links on your site, it's going to kill your rank immediately. So you highlight them all, click disavow, go to URL, move to disavow. And I'm going to show y'all how to, I'm going to move fast because I'm going to show you everything that you need to do. Because this is, I'm telling you, like, if you ever have a company that you hate and you just want to really just completely, decimate them and bump them out of the rank in Google, use MoneyRobot on them. Use MoneyRobot and create them 50 billion spammy links with 0 authority scores like these. And I promise you, I don't care if they're #1 in Google, within a matter of weeks, you're going to bump them so far down, it's ridiculous. So you just keep highlighting all these and clicking disavow, URL, move to disavow. And I'm going to show you what to do when we have them all moved. You just keep doing this until you got them all highlighted, which I almost do. I was doing this before I decided to make a video and help you guys out. Luckily, I caught this in time. I'm not dumb. I used it and decided to come into my SEMrush account and look. And yeah, it's horrible. Every one of these are just trash, and they will kill your rankings. So you just keep moving along, moving along, moving along. Disavow every single one of these. And then you go in and you get some real links. How do you do that? You just Google, top ranking websites. And once you have top ranking websites, find the ones that you can actually log on to and make an account. And when you make an account, just make a profile and put your link in the profile. Bam. High quality backlink. Nothing to it. But yeah, you got to go in here and disavow every one of these suckers that MoneyRobot made. It's just, see, sometimes this has a next button and sometimes it don't. What the hell? I knew I wasn't tripping. But yeah, man, disavow all this crap. And as soon as I see nothing but red circles, I'll know I got to the point where I need to be. I already have one disavow list. This is just going to add to it. Oh my. Just keep disavowing, keep disavowing, keep disavowing. We got a whole giant list of disavows. Now, I already have a disavow list, so I'm gonna add to it. Add all these to it. Because you don't want to replace your list and not have, you know, the ones that you've already disavowed in there anymore. This is crazy, man. All these are just trash, and this will literally move you so far down the rank. Okay, I think I got all of them now. Yeah, I'm telling you, you ever want to take your competition out, that's all you got to do is use MoneyRobot on them. All right, so we're going to, from that point forward, you need to go to disavow. So you have all these freaking URLs in here. Here's all 944 of them that I've disavowed. Right? Okay, so we're going to export that. There it is. And so we're going to open the folder that it's in. I think I already have a disavow list. There's one for Aaron's Plumbing. Let me see when the most, or see what the largest one is. Whoops. Let me see what the largest one is in here. Because that's going to be the one we want to add to. Let's see. This is the one we just made. Today is not the 23rd, but I will say it is. Okay. This one's 213 kilobytes. What's the next? We're going to add to the one that's 213. So this is what I want to do. I want to open this one. We're going to go and take all these URLs in here. You're not going to have to do this. I already have a disavow list. That's the only reason I'm doing this, because I'm just adding these to it. All you're going to do is take the one that you exported, and I'm going to show you exactly what you do with it once you export it. God dang, this is taking forever. Okay. It's going to take all these URLs right here. We're going to copy. Well, like I said, you won't have to do this. The only reason I'm having to do this is because I already have this one right here. And I just want to add to it. So we got all these domains in here. We got all these URLs in here. So I'm just going to add these URLs. And then we're going to save this file. That is the 07. Correct. All right, now it's 309. That sucker is huge. So 4070. So what you're going to do from there is you're going to go to Google and you're going to go Google disavow tool. And so it'll pull up this disavow thingy. And when it does, look right here, disavow tool, you just select your company. So here's B Scene Marketing right here. That's us. Right now, that's how many URLs we have. Oh, you know what? Okay, so it is the 0707. Okay. you can actually download your list so you can add to it just in case. We're going to replace it because it's the same list. We're going to go to downloads. We're going to go to the one that was 0707, which is right here. Check the file size just to make sure. Let's see. Not what I was looking for. I was looking for more like properties. I guess I'm not going to see any kind of properties. But yeah, we know this is it. So we'll go with that. It should update this beyond this. Yep, 3,186. So now those are disavowed. They're uploaded. So what you're going to do is go back to SEMrush now. And when you're in SEMrush, you go up here to this little tag right here that says, yes, I uploaded the file. So now from that point forward, all of those are no longer there, and when you go over to your overview, bam, 0 toxic, and we have 172 that are potential toxics. So, and those are probably more of those. Yep, look at this, 0,006. So with these, you just do the same exact thing I just did. All right, peace out, guys, and make sure if you paid for MoneyRobot, get a refund because it's trash. So look, guys, if you used MoneyRobot, I just showed you what to do, and you're going to need SEMrush to fix it. So I'm asking you, help me out since I helped you out. Below in the description is my affiliate link to SEMrush. Click on that and start using SEMrush today. You'll be glad you did.